This is the Funny Supply 3-in-1 foldable high chair. This high chair is a total game changer if you are short on space within your home. It folds up and is so compact once it's folded. I love that the tray comes on and off so you can easily clean it. The rest of the chair wipes up super easy as well. They have these nice straps that are adjustable so your baby is safe and snug inside. Another thing that is cool is you can totally grow with your child because the tray can actually come in and out depending on the size of your child. I totally wish that I would have had this high chair with all 3 of my kids. It's just so easy to fold up, to fold out. I can do this with one hand. Being able to fold it up just really provides a lot more space in our small dining room area. It also is really nice if you want to bring it somewhere if you're traveling. Another thing I just really love is the look of it. It's very modern looking. It's simple, kind of a sleek design. I love that there is a space on the top for a cup for your child. It's truly one of the best baby products that we have bought.